started on with a look you gave. I spread over and over among us when we were younger. When we were younger, I had in mind to keep an eye on you. Watch you fill the room without a whisper. When we were younger, and I held my breath, and like it was my last one. But you still there right in front of us. You still there right in front of us. When we were younger, we'd sit around to see your point of view. Watch you give an inch and take the moment there. When we were younger, and still I held my breath, and like it was my last one. But you're still there right in front of us. You're still there right in front of us. Like when I saw you for the first time. I felt like this before. It reminds me what I've been missing.
Wahai Bambang,
Ya Bapak,
aku nikahkan anak kandungku Feby Sandra dengan engkau dengan mahar seperangkat alat sholat gelang emas 16 gram tunai.
aku terima menikahi anak kandung Bapak Feby Chandra dengan maharnya seperangkat alat sholat dan gelang emas 16 gram tunai.
Mana saksi? Sah. Saksi? Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Barakallahu laka wa baraka alayka. Wa jama'a bainakuma fi khair. Walhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
This before.